guys, welcome back to Gone Wild Australia. You're probably thinking right now, what is going on? Make sure you stay to the end, hit the like button, 150 likes and comments, guys.
Watch all the way to the end, this episode is nuts.
Just ride it in, ride it in, ride it in. Oh.
What we've got here is pasta that my grandmother cooked all the way from Victoria. We've just driven all the way to South Australia, so we've got maybe 12 of these little care packages. We're just pretty much eating pasta, breakfast, lunch and dinner, unless we catch a fish. Guys, we're going to be giving away a brand new Commando rod if we reach 150 likes. So if you like it, comment down below and we'll choose one of you guys. Absolutely perfect day for it. The wind conditions are grouse, so Brooke's just rigging up right now. We're going to get out into the waters.
This is the first time I've been out like in the ocean. Every other time's been on the lake. Bo's been out in the ocean once. The conditions are perfect. Tops on! At the moment, it's 7.4 kilometers an hour.
Wow. First flick of the day.
Guys,
let's once. Woo! Look at the size of that.
That is
beautiful.
Yes, dude.
I reckon that's like a 25 centimeter.
Oh, guys, wait, just so they don't think we've been out here for 30 minutes. Literally, what, 30 seconds?
30 seconds after
Straight on, and that's police over there, and we don't have life jackets on.
Okay, shit. Guys, look how much it camouflages onto the surface. So we just put it onto this white chopping board, and it's literally mimicked the color of it. That's out.
How is it?
Woo! So today we have two setups. What we just caught that last squid off was a 2.5. This is bigger, 3.5. A lot of people think that you need bigger squid jigs to catch bigger squid, but the one we just caught was fine. So we're gonna give them both a go. I reckon the luck is on Brooke's squid jig today.
Yeah. Oh, I've not felt this excited on this boat. It's on another level, like in the actual ocean.
So we're heading to the end of the reef where the drop off is.
We got 3 rods, so Bo's gonna do, Bo's gonna be squidding. I'm gonna be trying to catch whiting and sharks. So we got 3 rods, one with shark bait, one for whiting, and then squidding. And we've got crab nets, guys. So
we're eating, but also there's salmon out here too. So hopefully we can catch onto a big Australian salmon and just have a smorgasbord of food.
Rightio, guys, so it's been about probably 45 minutes since we put the crab pots in. So before we go out a bit deeper, I'm gonna check these crab nets. Guys, around this area, the most common crab is blue crabs, and they're the most delicious eating as well. What do you reckon? Do we have one?
I reckon we do. Nah, we checked it too soon. You got a zap? Why does it zap? If anyone knows, leave it down below.
I think it's all this electronic shit. The solar panels are putting
That is so dangerous.
Oh! Yep, we're on. Oh wait, or snag.
No.
Go undo it there.
Huh? Oh shit.
Nah, that's not a fish.
Wait.
It's gonna be snagged because we're drifting.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's our only setup.
So this place is pretty dangerous. There's a lot going on here. A lot of swells, rocks, waves, smashes.
But we're here because
there's good seaweed and open areas of sand which squid love. Dolphins. See if they pop up. Oh, there he is, sticking his fin out. He's coming towards us.
He's on top. Wow, guys. And he's about to come up.
Oh my god. Hey! The lifeguards just came out because they've been looking for us because we haven't been back to the beach. They're worried about our car getting bogged right there.
It's lit.
The tide has come all the way in. Oh my god.
Alright, cut the motor.
Go, 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 go.
Just ride it in, ride it in, ride it in. Oh. That's the way to get in. Oh, dude, the whole boat's full. Maybe.
We've just been absolutely smashed. Definitely on, yeah? Thanks, man. Legend. Thanks, bro.
Guys, this is fucking nuts. Huh?
That bull bar's ripped off.
Has it?
So the bull bar's just ripped off. Fuck. It's an expensive squid.
Fuck.
I've got a couple of tracks in there if you want to try and get them come backwards. The best way is actually straight along the beach.
Straight along the beach. Yeah.
So, it's up to you if you want to try and start digging out the...
We got...
Yeah. I'll go grab them, and if we can get it in reverse, get a bit of a rock on the cunt.
Awesome, bro.
Yeah. Thanks, man. Get a bit of a rock on the cunt.
Guys, I have absolutely no words. Literally, we had the best day out. We caught a squid. Oh, just went all bad, like, at the same time. Oh my god. Literally, guys, we were coming in. You can see it on the video. Wave pushed us in, the whole boat filled with water, and then it got beached. I literally, the boat's literally still on the beach. Oh my god, everything went wrong. That was just, the car got bogged and the boat got bogged at the same time. Oh, guys, I'm in shock. You can probably see. Wow. Wow. Oh, they don't have one. Huh? They don't have one.
We've got the boat on the trailer.
Sweet. Dude, I don't even know how to get these out.
Can we take this thing out? It's just gonna go straight into it.
How do you feel?
Oh, well, we're close. Like that kid there that just fell down. Yeah, look at that. If anyone knows what this is, leave it in the comment section down below. No, you wouldn't. It's an ugly fish. So by the way, that's munted, so I don't even think we can drive it because that's not stable at all.
Just lift it up and get him to come back. Come back, Harry!
a little bit.
Harry, come back. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Yes.
What a mission.
He goes, before he goes, nah, no worries, mate. This is why we come out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He's like, we love it.
Wow. That's not on.
Yeah, I saw a jet ski go. Did you see it on the way out? A jet ski and the trailer was stuck out there.
Oh, good.
So someone had to like get strapped and bring it in.
That's great for us.
We're not the only ones. We got out of that one. How do you feel about the whole thing?
Bit shook.
So a bit short.
Crazy, guys. There's so many events at once.
I know, man.
Oh, today's been so good, so smooth, and then bang, within 30 seconds, everything went wrong.
It's every tiny little detail, because if we don't pay attention to anything, like we could have lost our whole career then. The car, everything in the car, the boat, the
Guys.
GoPro, we almost lost you guys because you were in the boat somewhere and we're fishing for you.
And guys, this is more of a reason we keep pushing the Patreon, because now we have to get the bull bar fixed, which will probably be a few hundred. So yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our Patreon, make sure you subscribe. It's literally
The bag of twisties.
Bag of twisties, and yeah, it really, really does help. So guys, if you are watching this and you've been thinking about it, please help us out.
Alright, so if you're traveling in Australia, one thing that you need to know is that beer is currency. So we're at the bottle shop right now. We're gonna go get those boys a few beers to say thank you. So glad we're out of that situation. Good morning. What an absolutely crazy night that was last night. So we didn't cook up the squid last night, so this morning we're gonna do a little catch and cook. Brooke's still asleep in his tent, so I'm gonna cook something up. Look at that. We're gonna get some good calamari rings out of this. Hard, very hard to do. There we go. How the fuck do people do this? G'day, mate. Alright, I'll be back. I can't even touch the camera.
What does that do? Something else.
Beautiful big squid. Look at the tentacles.
Big, big tentacles.
It's a massive tentacle. Too much pepper.